So the monomeric unit of DNA is a nucleotide. Actually, nucleotide is made up of nitrogenous base plus sugar plus phosphoric acid. These three components are found in DNA: nitrogenous base plus sugar plus phosphoric acid. So we have to discuss each component of the DNA. First of all, to discuss about the sugar. The sugar that is found in DNA is deoxyribose sugar, and in RNA it is ribose sugar. So first of all, to understand about the ribose sugar. Ribose sugar. Ribose sugar is a pentose sugar. It is a pentose sugar. Pentose means it is made up of 5 carbon atoms. Pentose means it is made up of 5 carbon atoms. Ribose is a sugar that is pentose is nature. It is a monosaccharide sugar. It is pentose is nature having the 5 carbon atom. It means that this ribose sugar is made up of 5 carbon atoms, and in the case of DNA it is called deoxyribose, and in the case of RNA it is called ribose. So to understand the structure of ribose sugar, what happened? CHO, CHOH, 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 CH2, OH. It is a 5 carbon atom sugar made up of 5 carbon. This carbon number 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, and this is 5. This is a state chain structure of a ribose sugar. Ribose sugar. State chain structure of a ribose sugar. Now, the state chain structure of a ribose sugar, here you can know that it having C5, H10 and O5. This is the empirical formula of the ribose sugar. Ribose sugar. Empirical formula of the ribose sugar is C5H10 and O5. This is very important, note down, because it can be asked in the recent examination of 2 number. What is the formula of ribose sugar? So to understand properly, it is ribose sugar is C5H10O5. C5 means having 5 carbon atom, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. H having 10 here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. And O is 5 here, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Then what happened in the ribose sugar? It is a state structure of a ribose sugar. It can be converted into its isomeric form, because you know here this is aldehyde group is present, and here hydroxyl group is present. This is acid and this is base, interaction of these to take place, and this state chain structure of a ribose sugar is converted into cyclic form. It can be converted into cyclic form. So cyclic form of a ribose sugar is like that. Here 1 carbon atom, second, third, fourth, and this one is fifth. 5 carbon atom is found in ribose sugar. Now valency is completed by hydrogen. Here 1, 2, 3 and 4. Here 2. This can be drawn like that. OH and H. Valency of carbon 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. and this also having here H and H. So this is the cyclic structure of ribose sugar. This is carbon number 1, carbon number 2, carbon number 3, carbon number 4, and this one is carbon number 5. Count C5 H10O5. C5 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. H10 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and here 1, 2, 3, here one, here one hydrogen is also found here, because hydrogen 2, 3 and 4, this valency of a carbon is completed by hydrogen. So C5 H10 and O5, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3,